Today we are looking at the health benefits of Carica papaya. Carica papaya na grandma. We're talking about the medicinal values of pawpaw. Take a look at this. These are the leaves. These are the leaves. Come close. These are the unripe fruits. The unripe fruits. Can you get it? Come close. Come very close. These are the unripe fruits. Herbal. The unripe fruit is very, very good for the treatment and management of ulcer. These unripe fruits. While the leaves are very, very good for those people who don't have strong energy. If you are having problem, unripe fruits are very, very good for problems of ulcer, gallbladder stone, kidney stone. Then, if you are somebody that is running down your energy on daily basis, pawpaw leaf is very, very good for you. If you're always in pains, especially the pains of sickle cell anemia. If you're having crisis because of sickle cell anemia, don't worry. While you use Xanthoxylum fagara roots, you also use Carica papaya leaves. You cut them very, very well with the stalks. You wash properly. After washing, you dry under the sun. Our strong sun shine. When you dry, after drying, you put them into powder and then you make a tea out of it. I'm talking about the leaves of Carica papaya. When you make tea out of it on daily basis, you find out that you have very strong energy. If you are a sickle cell anemia, if you have sickle cell, then that is where you get the leaves. Make sure it's not scarce in your kitchen. You make tea out of it, teaspoon morning, teaspoon night. You find out that with the leaves of Carica papaya, and the Xanthoxylum fagara root powder, you may stay 2 years, 3 years, 4 years without crisis. Is an established scientific herbs. Established scientific herbs, and then it's not trial. I've used it in my practice for over 44 years now. Have a beautiful day and a beautiful week. Bye-bye.